Hola, mis estudiantes. Week 5 already. Jeez. Can't believe it. I graded your tests we took last week, and most of you did well. Some of you need to get in there and study. The things that I really want you to know at this point are we're working with three regular verbs: hablar, vivir, y comer. They're AR, ER, IR ending verbs, infinitive verbs. You need to know how to conjugate those verbs in the present tense, in the preterite tense, in the past imperfect, and you need to be able to express the future with the ir plus infinitive. Voy a comer, I am going to eat. Ella va a comer, she is going to eat, and so on. The past imperfect tense is the estaba, was. Yo estaba comiendo, I was eating. And the preterite tense is a defined action in the past, such as I ate, yo comí. And of course, the present tense is yo hablo español, I speak Spanish. Estoy hablando español, I am speaking Spanish. All of those you should know at this point. You should also know the following irregular verbs, at least what they mean, and beginning to learn how to conjugate each one of them in the present tense. Tener, to have. Ir, to go. Querer, to want. Saber, to know. Dar, to give. Hacer, to do or to make. Poder, to be able. That's the one that says like, yo puedo, I can. Él puede, nosotros podemos, we can. Ser and estar both mean to be. Ser means always. Estar means sometimes. That's loose description of the difference between the two verbs, but you should be able to conjugate ser and estar, both. This week we're going to focus on classes at school and class routines, school activities like sports, how to use the computers, how to talk about those things, how to describe what you do at school as far as your routine. We're going to make some comparisons as to what goes on in Latin America versus here. We're also going to learn about household objects or appliances and furniture, la cama, the bed, la estufa, the stove, things like this. We've learned the rooms in the house, now we're going to learn things that go in the house. All of this stuff is important, but most important to me is that you practice what you've learned in Spanish. You have the LearnSpanish.com website that I encourage you to use. In fact, you'll be given several assignments in the future using that website. My webpage, which hopefully you've all accessed. Remember, you need to log on through Mr. Story's portal on the Casa Verde webpage. Once you get there, you get the window that asks for login and a password. You log in with CGUHS / and then your student ID, the one on your card. And then for password, it's a 6-character school password, the ones you use to get into your power grade to look at your classroom grades. Anyway, it should be a good week. I look forward to it. Hang in there, those of you that are struggling. If you need help, I'm in my room every day, typically at 6:30, always by 7:30. Just come up and make an appointment on our college prep days. You can come in and get some tutoring, whatever you need. But don't give up and hang in there and keep speaking Spanish. Habla español, por favor.